Hello friends, welcome to Jainam Software. So in this video we are going to see how we can create first interest and principal rule in Jainam Software. So just have a look. So from the search bar, search customer. So I have created this customer. Let's create one loan. Click on loan. Here personal loan. Let's take 5,000 amount, 2% interest monthly, first interest then principal, and for 5 months, and calculate. So here 100 is the installment and 500 is the projected interest. Now just save this loan. Loan number 136 has been created. Search this loan number 136 from the search bar. So here you can see 5,000 principal, 500 interest, and total amount 5,500 in the grey color. So just go to the installment tracker. Here you can see every month 100 is the interest, and at the end the principal amount 5,000 you will received. And if you check the passbook, the loan given 5,000, interest applied 500, recoverable amount is 5,500 and 2% interest monthly. So just receive this 100 from here and just go to the installment tracker. So here the 100 is received successfully. And if you check installment details, here also you can see installment amount 100 received successfully. So this type first interest and principal will work in Jainam Software. So friends, thank you for watching this video, and for more videos I will come back. Don't forget to like our channel from YouTube. Have a nice day.